Okay guys, today we're going to be documenting my speed of typing while singing KSI's new song. Well, just a part of it because I don't memorize the whole song. From the screen to the ring to the pen to the king, where's my crown? That's my bling, always drama when I ring. Okay, that's the only thing I know. We're gonna do this yearly now. This typing test. Dang, we messed that one up. Speaking of America, Trump just won the election. But we don't want to talk about that. We're not really political. Ah, the sound of the jeepneys that wake me up in the morning for school. Except I didn't go to school today because I am sick. With 93! I can't believe 93. Not bad, but we want to get 100. Let's do 3. Maybe we got distracted there because of our speaking. And KSI, so we're gonna focus now. I wonder if it makes you faster if you read it out loud. Let's test it. Seem good to good need options. You get idea. Plan stop page play sometimes. Quickly form close high water on there being too ready. Should would has one's car again. I thought that was here. State small to begin as sentence live. Spell your example. Young question. And other line Indian. Go Indian. Go live that monkey for say. Was each did don't. Is soon such tree. We're doing so bad by the way. We're doing so bad. We can usually get 100 when we are at the internet cafe. Okay, let's focus now. Let's be quiet. $99. Come on. Okay, that's fair. 3 for each. 3 for each. Let's go for advance now. Words here are longer. And we're not doing well. This is not a fake video. So no editing and no choosing which tests we will show our non-existent watchers. Just our authentic results. We are doing so bad. Okay, that's bad. It's fine. We still have 2 tries. Okay. Just do this fast. Oh, that's why we're doing bad. Because we're low bad. That's the reason. No, that's not the reason. It's because we're not relaxed. Wow. I learned this side from my two friends, Gio and Joshua, my classmates during my grade 2 to grade 5 years. I miss them. They were good friends. 71, not bad, even though we were slow. So slow is fast. No, just joking. Go slow to go fast. But that means just practice slowly and then go increase the speed without making mistakes. Deliberate practice in anything will get you results that you want. Wow. When you put so much effort into a word just to get it wrong. Democratic. I really need to practice typing that word. Oh my gosh, that's terrible. But we got the highest score. Is this our third one or is this our second one? I think this is our third one. Okay, we'll stop. So our average for the normal typing test is 90, and for the advanced we have 74. Not bad.